In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to Wix website. By the end, you'll have your Canva design displayed right on a Wix page using a simple embed. This method is great when you want your design to appear exactly as it does in Canva, and it keeps the process clean and code light. Start by opening the design you want to use in Canva. Look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is the same menu you use for downloading or sending a link. But we're going to take a different route. In the Share menu, choose More to see all available options. Then select Embed. The Embed option lets Canva generate the HTML you need to display your design on another site. When the Embed panel opens, click Embed again to generate the HTML code. Canva will provide an iframe snippet. This is a small piece of code that tells your website to display the design inside a frame. Highlight and copy the entire HTML embed code. Be sure you grab everything from the opening tag to the closing tag so it works correctly. Now head over to your Wix editor. Open the page where you want the design to appear, then click the plus add button on the left side of the editor. From the menu that opens, choose Embed, and then select Embed a widget. This will place a resizable embed box onto your canvas. Double-click the widget to open its settings so you can add your code. Click Enter Code and paste the HTML code you copied from Canva into the iframe box. After you paste it, the widget will load the Canva design inside that frame. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment to render. Once it appears, you are ready to fine-tune how it looks on the page. To adjust the size, drag the sides or corners of the widget until the design fits your layout. You can also drag the entire box to position it anywhere on the page. Aim for a size that keeps the content readable and balanced with the rest of your elements. If your design is tall, make the frame taller to avoid cutoffs. If it's wide, extend the width so nothing is squeezed. Keeping generous spacing around the widget helps it look intentional and keeps your layout tidy. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.